Emergency deployment. Collective unconscious spike detected downtown.
I literally sat down 30 seconds ago.
A fear signal is synchronizing the entire district.
So one panic attack infected the whole city?
That's how global thoughtforms spread.
They think the signal is their own thoughts.
The longer it spreads, the stronger the field becomes.
Yeah, welcome to the collective unconscious.
They've synchronized with the signal.
Yeah, now they think fear is survival.
You're getting surrounded.
Good! Makes the pattern easier to hit.
Destroy the signal before resonance reaches critical mass.
Copy that. Therapy missile incoming.
Missile lock confirmed.
Let's wake the city up.
Signal collapse confirmed.
Cool. Humanity survives another panic attack.
Try not to destroy the city on exit.
No promises. Oops.